Ko te reihi iwa te kau tēnei ngā wāhine te kaumaiwa tau me raro iho te pakeke. Taki ono ruarauri ma te kau mita kei te aratua tahi te whare kura o Mauao, kei te aratua rua te kura o te kao, kei te aratua toru Tauranga Girls College, te Kuiti High School kei te aratua whā, te whare kura o Kirikiriroa, Hukarere Girls College, te kura Māori o Porirua kei te aratua whetū, Mount Maunganui College kei te aratua waru, te kura kaupapa Māori o Hoani Waititi Marae, Western Springs College, te whare kura o Ruatoki Area School kei te aratua Ngāhuru Mātahi. The conditions have been pretty good so far this week. Yeah, how's it been racing? I haven't been on the water.
Nah, it's been good. The lakes felt real good out there. Nice and still out there, not much wind, so that's been really good conditions for the past 2 days.
You train on the ocean and river. Do you feel the difference when you come to the lakes to race?
Yep, there's a difference for me. Like the lake feels a lot heavier than what I train on, as we have a lot of currents.
Yeah, it's a bit of an adjustment, eh?
Yeah.
We have a haki wheroi tēnei wā, black flag, back it up e te whānau.
High School, Kohine, lane 5, we have Kirikiriroa, Karekirangi, lane 6, we have Hukarere Girls College, Mata Ruahau, lane 7, we have Kura Māori or Kuri Rua, Kura Nui, lane 8, we have Mount Maunganui.
Quite generous in the amount of time they're getting to back up.
And we have a green flag, whānau.
Lane 10 is Western Springs College, Parera, lane 11 closing us out for this last heat is the Wharekura o Ruatoki Area School.
Ko te reihi iwa te kau tēnei, under 19 girls W6 250 metres.
It's an even race out there, whānau, but it looks like here in lane 1, just ahead.
Wharekura o Mauao, tērā.
Let's see who's starting to peel away right now.
About a boat length out there, whānau, ahead of everyone else is Te Wharekura o Mauao, lane 1.
Lane 8 is going to be the first one to inch their nose in front.
Oh, have a bit of bumper waka. Are tonu.
But it's a close race out there for second and third.
Beautiful lane 1. Didn't come to play marbles. They want a spot in the final e te whānau. Oh, lane 1.
Oh, that was too close to call, but lane 5 or 6 for second. Second and third, and lane 5 or 6.
Lane 5, Te Wharekura o Kirikiriroa, and lane 6, Hukarere Girls College.
There they are, whānau. Your first place getters, Te Wharekura o Mauao, 6-7 piece of steak.
Creative.
Like she makes me flinch now.
Hard and fast like these girls in race 19. Our final heat of our under 19 girls, number 6 to 15. Now moving on.
Here's our replay, Te Whānau.
Absolutely, and guess who we have?
Oh, lane 1, beautiful.
The kaumātua, he rangatira o te comms tent himself, Koro Neiha.
Who is it? Who's it for second? Oh, this angle doesn't tell us.
I'm going to say lane 6 though, whānau. But don't count on my call.
You know who won in lane 1, Te Wharekura o Mauao. Oh, lane 5 came second. Te Wharekura o Mauao, 6-7 piece of steak, 1 minute 13.48. Tuarua, Kirikiriroa, Parekirangi, 1 minute 18.46. And lane 6 for third place, Hukarere Girls, Mata Ruaho.
degree ski building. Therefore, if you've misplaced